Dave Konkol with Konkol Custom Homes and Remodeling. You may have asked yourself this question: what do I do if I own a lot or I'm considering buying a lot that have soils that are unsuitable for building a new home? If your soils are unremovable, as they are on this lot, because the water table is 5 feet deep and the unsuitable soils go down to 15 feet, this is your solution. You can install pilings. In this particular home that we're building on Lake Irma in Orange County, we designed 35 auger pilings that the entire foundation will rest on. We just finished putting in all 35 piles. The auger digs to a depth of 30 feet, fills it with concrete, and then a steel cage is placed in and hardens, and we build our foundation on top of these 35 columns. In this particular home, which is about 5,000 square feet, the additional cost for the columns and the extra supported foundation, which ended up being 6 inches thick versus 4 inches, was approximately $100,000 more than a conventional system. So if you're thinking about building a home, or if you have soil conditions that you're just not sure about, give us a call and we'd be happy to help. 407-466-3882. David Konkol, Konkol Custom Homes and Remodeling, 407-466-3882.
Konkol Custom Homes and Remodeling, a builder to believe in, building trust one homeowner at a time. From new construction to full-scale renovations, Konkol Custom Homes and Remodeling has been a leading luxury custom home builder in the Central Florida area for over 3 decades. We work with you as your partner to design and create a custom home that suits your taste, your lifestyle, and your future. For more information or to schedule a project consultation, call us today at 407-539-2938 or visit our website at www.konkolcustom.com. Konkol Custom Homes and Remodeling, a builder to believe in, building trust, one homeowner at a time.